This video will explain what is Google Cloud. Google Cloud is a service that gives you computers, storage, databases, and software tools through the internet instead of keeping them on your own laptop or office server. Simple meaning is you are using Google's powerful computers online and paying only for what you use. Now we will see real life example. Imagine you want to create a website, build a mobile app, and store 10,000 photos. You have two choices. Old way. You have to buy big computer, hard disk, networking setup. This is expensive, difficult, and needs maintenance. Google Cloud way. You open a browser, use Google Cloud, and start in minutes. No machine needed. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing means using computer services over the internet instead of your own computer. Just like you watch movies on YouTube without storing them on your phone. Now we will see why do people use Google Cloud? Because it is fast. You can start a server in minutes and it is scalable. If your app gets 100 users, works. If your app gets 10 lakh users, still works because Google Cloud automatically handles the growth. Google Cloud is low cost. You pay only for what you use. No extra cost for unused resources like an electricity bill. And this concept is called pay as you go. Google takes care of hardware, updates, and security. You just use the service, so no maintenance is required. What can you do with Google Cloud? You can run applications. You can run websites, mobile app backends, and business software. You can store data. You can store images, videos, files, and backups. You can use databases to store app data like user details, orders, and payments. You can create virtual computers. A virtual machine is a computer that exists inside the cloud, not physically in front of you. You can start it anytime, stop it anytime, and resize it anytime. You can use artificial intelligence tools. Google Cloud gives ready tools for speech to text, image recognition, chatbots, and data analysis. Who uses Google Cloud? Startups, big companies, students, developers, banks, and shopping websites. Because it is reliable, secure, and always available. Do you need a powerful laptop? No. Even basic laptop can use Google Cloud because the real work happens in Google's data centers, not on your machine. Now we will see real life analogy. Google Cloud is like renting a fully furnished office instead of buying land, building office, and maintaining it. You just use it and pay for the time you use it. Is Google Cloud free? There is a free tier for beginners, free credits for learning, so students can practice easily. Google Cloud is a system where you use Google's powerful computers online to run your apps and store your data. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.